There's something underrated about mini tablets. They don't dominate your desk, they don't strain your wrist, they don't scream work device, they just fit into your life. In 2026, these compact tablets are no longer underpowered side gadgets. Some of them are genuinely fast, sharp, and versatile. Whether you're gaming in bed, reading on flights, or multitasking on the couch, here's what these mini tablets actually feel like to use. The Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 doesn't feel like a small tablet compromise. It feels like a compact gaming machine. The high refresh rate display makes everything feel incredibly smooth. Not just games, but even basic scrolling through social media. Once you use it, going back to a 60Hz display feels sluggish. Gaming is where this tablet really stands out. Titles load quickly, frame rates stay stable, and it doesn't feel like it's struggling under pressure. The cooling system actually works. You don't get that uncomfortable overheating feeling after 30 minutes of play. The stereo speakers are surprisingly punchy for the size, and holding it horizontally feels natural, almost like a portable console. Even outside gaming, multitasking feels quick and responsive. If you want a mini tablet that feels powerful instead of cute, this is it. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus feels balanced and comfortable the moment you hold it. It's slim without feeling fragile, and the weight distribution makes it easy to use one-handed while lying down or sitting on the couch. The display is clean and sharp enough for YouTube, Netflix, and reading articles without eye strain. Where it shines is in everyday usability. Samsung's One UI makes multitasking simple. Split screen works smoothly for browsing while watching videos. Notifications sync nicely if you use a Galaxy phone, and the whole ecosystem integration feels convenient. It's not built for heavy gaming or demanding editing, but for daily life, emails, streaming, browsing, casual apps. It feels dependable and stress-free. It's the kind of tablet you just pick up without thinking. The Fire HD 8 is very honest about what it is. It's affordable, compact, and built mainly for entertainment. The 8-inch display makes it super comfortable for reading Kindle books for long sessions. It's light enough that your hand doesn't get tired holding it above your face in bed, which is honestly where many of us use tablets. It's deeply integrated into Amazon's ecosystem, so Prime Video, Audible, and Alexa feel natural to use. Battery life is solid for casual streaming and reading. Performance is smooth for basic tasks, though you'll notice it's not built for heavy multitasking. But for a budget mini tablet that handles streaming, browsing, and reading without drama, it does exactly what it promises. The iPad mini feels like a flagship device shrunk into a compact frame. The display is crisp, bright, and color accurate. Watching HDR content or editing photos genuinely looks impressive. The performance is immediate, apps open instantly, games run smoothly, and multitasking doesn't feel constrained. What really stands out is how versatile it feels. You can sketch with Apple Pencil, take handwritten notes, jump into FaceTime calls, edit short videos, and then relax with a game, all without feeling like the device is limiting you. It's powerful enough to be your main portable computer, not just a secondary screen. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, everything syncs seamlessly. AirDrop, iMessage, iCloud. It just works. It's small, but it feels premium and capable. The Lenovo Tab One is straightforward and practical. It's light, simple, and easy to carry around the house. The display is clear enough for streaming and browsing, and the clean Android interface makes it easy to navigate without clutter. Using it feels uncomplicated. It handles social media, YouTube, emails, and basic apps smoothly. Battery life holds up well for daily use, and it doesn't feel overloaded with unnecessary software. It's not a performance monster, but it's reliable for everyday tasks. If you just want a mini tablet for casual content consumption and light use without spending too much, this one feels sensible and easy to recommend. Mini tablets in 2026 aren't just smaller screens. They're powerful little companions that fit into your lifestyle. Whether you want gaming performance, premium ecosystem integration, or simple everyday streaming, there's a compact tablet that makes sense for you. The real question is, do you want power in your pocket or comfort in your palm?